Alright, so this was Friday's lesson, but I'm recording it after Monday's lesson. And let's look at 10,000, and we're starting off with the standard form, which is just 52,439. Word form, remember we said that we are saying the first two words together, 52,000, which you will literally have 52 thousands when you have 5 10,000s plus 2 1,000s. Okay, so 52 thousands are equal to 5 10,000s plus little bitty zeros, 5 10,000s plus 2 1,000s. I'm going to have to make some little zeros here. Alright, okay, so 52,439. So you say the first part together, and you say the last part together. And that's similar to what I was saying with the 5 10,000s plus 2 1,000s is the same as 52,000. Or 52 1,000s. Okay, they're equal. It's the same thing as when we say 39. There are 3 10s and 9 1s, but there's also 39 1s. If you put a whole bunch of 1s together, you would have 39 1s, and that would be equal to 3 10s and 9 1s. Alright. The expanded form, let me move this guy out of the way. Expanded form is 50,000 plus 2,000 plus, how many hundreds? 4 plus 400 plus 30 plus 9. So really the only place we've added, since our thousands are 4-digit numbers, is the 50,000 place. So make sure that you have the 50 comma and then 3 zeros. And then the rest of it you guys are really good at already. So place value. Let's look here. The TTH stands for 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there? 5. How many thousands are there? 2. How many 4s are there? Or excuse me. How many hundreds are there? 4. How many 10s are there? 3. And how many 1s are there? 9. And altogether we have 52,439. Let's look up here at this number. I want you to try that on your own. Okay, and when I made this, I did not mean for it to look like this is the number 299,000. It's just that there's a number 2 there, because that one over here is number 1, and this one over here is number 2. So I'm going to cover up the number 2. 99,999, okay? And on a piece of paper, I would want you to try it in word form, in expanded form, and in place value, and see how you do trying it on your own. If you do that, you can also bring it into class and show me, and we can go over that together.